Welcome back to Two Traveling Teachers. Today we're bringing you a full review of the Glenwood Springs West Colorado River KOA Holiday, a stunning spot nestled along the banks of the Colorado River and surrounded by breathtaking mountain views. Whether you're looking for an outdoor adventure or a peaceful retreat, this KOA has plenty to offer.
We stayed at Glenwood Springs West Colorado River KOA Holiday in mid-October of 2024. This was our second trip to this park. We previously stayed here in early June of 2021. The KOA is located in the small town of Silt, Colorado, and is 20 miles from Glenwood Springs, which is a popular destination for adventure in Colorado and home of the world's largest hot spring pool. It is also located 15 miles from Rifle Falls State Park, where you can take a short walk to view the beautiful falls. We were in Site W10, which was a back-end, full hookup, patio deluxe riverfront site. We loved our site, which was right on the Colorado River and was equipped with a fire pit and Adirondack chairs. We spent a lot of time relaxing and enjoying the beautiful scenery and the peaceful sound of the river. Our site also contained a covered area with table and chairs, as well as a gas grill. All of the sites in the park seem fairly spacious, but in our opinion, if you're planning on spending lots of time relaxing at your site, it's worth the extra money to have a site right by the river. In addition to RV sites, the park also offers a few different kinds of cabins and a small area for tents. Amenities include a pool, spa, and splash pad, which were closed for the season during our stay. There is also a playground for kids. As with many KOAs, there is a camp canine for dogs. Propane is available for sale, and there is a dump station. The park is adjacent to Golden Gate Truck Plaza, where you can fill up your tank as well as purchase snacks, firewood, and other items. The park has a laundry room, bathrooms, and a small camp store in the office building. There are additional bathrooms located in a separate building in the park. If you're looking for a nice location convenient to exploring Glenwood Springs, this is a great location. Overall, we really enjoyed our stay at this park and found it to be a quiet, peaceful place to enjoy a quick getaway. We wouldn't hesitate to stay here whenever we find ourselves returning to the Glenwood Springs or Rifle area. Thanks for watching, and if you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel to see other campground reviews as well as videos of the adventures we enjoy along our travels.